This is equipment day at the ERIE Zoo.
He did. Yeah.
Ah, look at that. It goes way up in the air. That's a bulldozer. Whoa. Look at the tracks.
Yeah, these are tracks to make the bulldozer go through dirt and mud. You want to stand on them?
The tracks.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
Baby. That looks good.
Daddy has a little one at home, huh? Yeah, it's dirt.
Oh, it's picking up people. There it goes.
Right there. There it is. Okay. There you go.
No beeping? No? Okay.
No.
Sebastian. Oh, come here. Oh, there's Mama.
Your mama.
You want to get this line? All right, we'll get this line.
Hey, no. Down. All right.
Everyone, welcome to the ERIE Zoo and Safari Land Express. My name is Jim, and I'm really happy you're on board to train with us this way. That's T-Rex, Loch Ness, Crazy Squirrel. Make noise, scream, holler, stamp your feet. Anything will keep these critters away. Oh, you know how to do it. Keep it up now. We're not all through the tunnel yet. It depends on your noise to keep us safe. Thank you very much. Hey, parents, get in on this. 1, 2, 3. Jump with the kid. Oh, yeah, there's a good job done. That crazy squirrel did backflips on its way out. Kangaroo and a wallaby, just by the color of their fur. That's right, kangaroos are a light grayish color, where the wallaby is, oh yes, there's geese and ducks back here, goslings, and turtles. I love the turtles. This time of day, they're usually up under the trees here, enjoying a little coolness. There's one right up front by that tree in there. You can see how beautiful and big those horns are. Hi, Pierre. We see you up there. Look at a couple more mouflon over there. There's a couple turtles right out there on the log. As we go through the curve here, folks, take a quick look at the locomotive pulling your coach. This is a miniature replica of the C.P. Huntington. C.P. Huntington became famous in the year 1863. That was when it made the first run across the United States on the newly laid Southern Pacific Rail line. The green flowery stuff floating on the top of the pond is a living organism called duckweed. Pierre, you gonna wave to everybody? Wave your tail like that, Pierre. There you go, sweetie. Thank you. Coming into the curve, look down. You can see how wide this is here, and this massive structure that holds us up. It's called a drift catcher, and it's been here for over 100 years. This was built the widest part so that it could catch all the debris coming down. There's a shovel over that big shovel. You can see how they cleared this out just Tuesday. They weren't able to take all that was here getting caught in this drip catcher. You know, in the center of the park, there's porcupines, sloth, and red pandas under the Asian display. You know, I hope you enjoy the rest of the day here and have a great weekend. I keep begging. I hope I keep getting responses. It's really great when you're with us and summer's just beginning. Come back again, will you? Because we love it when you're here. Have a good night now. I love you. Bye.
Is that fun? Yeah, it's fun.
There you go.